Pump it up like the good year blimp. Make you holler for $1, that's the way I've been. Gold links and minks and shrimp dinners on the bayou. Them's all the things that I ain't gonna buy you.
Hello, everybody. What's good, everybody? Yes, people can play. Battlefield 6. Thank you, Breaking Banquet. Appreciate it. Screen frozen? Nah, my screen's not frozen. Oh, I'm just waking up. Tired. Alright, who's playing? What up, Italian God? Time did I go to sleep at? 1:30? Guys saying I can look at the screen and tell you it's not frozen. I have it playing on this screen and this screen. Like, you're just trying to be candid. Alright, so I need to do the break. I need to do sectors captured and breakthrough or rush. I need 8 more of those. And I need to heal a tank and revives. And I need kills as the assault class. I suggest pressing F5 because, like, look, I can see my screen right here on the live thing. It's not frozen no more. Oh, the game is frozen. I got you. I thought you were saying the screen is frozen. I see that. Okay. That's easy enough. Deactivate and reactivate that. There you go. Yeah, you can hear me still. I'm very tired, man. Like people think all I do is this. Nah. I do this, gig work, and there's all other things that happen in my life right now. Like my last week, every minute of my day has been pilled. And as a 400-pound fat man, it's tiring having to move that much. I don't need best. I need somebody who's going to take a lot of rocket hits. Hey, Jacob. Was the LC stuff true? We'll be seeing you on there tonight. I got to call Bookie and talk to him about it. But I did promise him I'd go on. How often do I do laundry? Kelly does laundry. We got one more waiting on corrosive. So let's go ahead and crack our Pepsi open. Tommy getting kicked off because he wouldn't script stuff. Tommy was moved on from because of how far he lived away. That was the main reason. I'm pretty loyal until I'm not. Actually, I'm starting to dig the game. Like, this means there's like almost $400 worth of games I gotta buy in the next 3 months. Ugh. Got Gears of War, Final Fantasy Tactics, Battlefield 6, Black Ops 7. I'm sure there's another one somewhere out there. Randy Babandy. They used to be, but I don't file long form anymore. Like, since Trump got into office, like, the marriage tax deduction is more than my long form, so I usually just take the marriage tax deduction. Because, like, $1,000 I spend a year in, like, video games isn't worth. Nitro, you still hang out with those trolls. I'm not going to give you inside information of what I do in life. DSP says something about Wings lying about emails. I haven't lied about any emails. Say, would you still work with DSP? Last Hockey said, very idea. Said you were only one against it. He wants to make some scratch together. I haven't responded to him, honestly. Like, I keep forgetting. I haven't seen 672 in a long time. People like me because I don't do anything. CGI ass gameplay? What do you mean? Go. What's up, Richie? How you doing, Playboy? Think about that low-cow money. If me and Tommy are going back on, that low-cow money is not going to be where it used to be at. And again, I ain't signed a contract yet. Like from my understanding, this is a one-off. At least for me, until I got a contract in my inbox. Well, I'm not scared of Keem. Dog, what are you talking about? Excuse me.
Bless you.
I have no clue who gets more viewers. It doesn't really matter, man, honestly. Who's getting Gears of War on PlayStation? On a co-op it with somebody. Yeah, it's a single player campaign. It's got multiplayer too, but I'm not buying it to play the multiplayer.
I used to be so good at Gears.
Oh God, I'm getting sniped from the mountain. Hey, kill this sniper. Kill this sniper. I'm gonna ping him. My.
Everyone marches to the storm. 1,500 horse, 4,000 torque.
All right, slow down. Don't stop pushing. Back up a little bit. Back up.
Yep.
Don't drive too fast. Don't go full speed. I can't walk as fast as they can drive. I got you, Corrosive. Don't skip. Don't skip.
Thank you.
Ah. Pump it up like a Goodyear blimp. All right, sit in right now.
Damn, I just stepped up.
Whoa! What the fuck just hit me? Nah, I'm 431 right now. Woo! Oh, that fucking bitch ass sniper dog. Dog, I knew he knew I was coming. And he kills me again. Let's go. Alex Wings, can you please growl for the Goodyear Blimp song? Eventually, man. Oh, come on. Oh, there's a... Dog, fuck these guys with rifles. God damn it, boy.
Took them wings.
Dude, you guys aren't even trying to push. You're just standing around for like 30 seconds at a time.
We got the tank from HQ. Right
Yeah,
now.
we're about to lose though. It's time to play for the win.
Oh, we're charging, Dave. Okay.
Stop the tank right here. Come bring the tank back, dog. We need to kill the infantry. Just keep landing it up. Just stop driving. Just shoot. Just shoot now. Yeah, these teammates are bad. Mm-hmm. Yes. See, Kelly must have went and got me food. Kelly got me a Happy Meal. What did Kelly get me?
How is she, by the way?
McChicken. Yay. She's good.
Oh, good.
She's good.
You gotta get that hot and spicy.
My McDonald's doesn't offer the hot and spicy McChickens no more.
Damn, that's sad. That was like my favorite thing off the menu. Right seat defil. I agree. Price got hiked up way too much. It used to be $1.25.
No, McDonald's is no longer $1.25. McDonald's be pushing like Applebee's prices.
Yeah, it's crazy. They don't even offer good deals on the app anymore.
No, they used to offer great deals. Now it's just like you get a fry with if you spend like $50.
Yeah, no kidding, man. They used to do like buy one get one free quarter pounders and all that. That was dope. I think they just wanted people's information, and now that they have it, they don't care.
Mm-hmm. I remember when I first downloaded McDonald's app, they gave me a free large French fry for just downloading the app. I said once the McDonald's makes their money mainly through real estate. Yeah, I can elaborate. McDonald's as a corporation buys very expensive land, like in Atlanta and major cities. Costs a lot of money, but that land is an appreciating value. And then they take the restaurant and they franchise it out. The franchisee builds the building.
I got the tank.
And then McDonald's gets 25% of the revenue of the building, and they also charge the franchisee rent on the land. McDonald's then charges the franchisee, they have to buy from their infrastructure. All right, so you got to buy from McDonald's supply line, you got to give them a percentage of the royalties, and you got to rent the land from them. And if your shit fails, McDonald's doesn't care. They'll sell the land at an appreciating value. Somebody else will come by and tear the store down, and they'll go buy land somewhere else. McDonald's is a real estate company with a side hustle in burgers. All right, I want to teach you guys to read the mini map. If you see a diamond with nothing in it, that means it's on your level. If you see a diamond with anything in it, it means it's either above or below you.
Yeah, there's arrows.
Yeah.
Oh, you had to be there, huh?
Got him. I got him.
Okay. What? Guess
Where they at, Wings?
he is one dude.
Like up on this little patch of grass.
Oh, behind me, tank. Okay.
Oh, shit.
They're gonna make it.
Tank.
Damn it, boy.
Shit.
God damn it. Fatal hit. Really? Come on, man.
You're still there on my screen. House.
The fuck, boy.
House.
Dude, they're just hitting me, dog. Fucking sniper rifles.
I might have to use LMG. I feel like the M4 doesn't do much damage.
M4's considered the best gun in the game.
I use the AK.
I'm probably just trash then. So do we have to go to the main menu?
Most likely.
Probably.
Wings, I've been watching you for years. I just want to play with you about six while I stroke, and I will top frag your brain. What do you think? Love you. Problem is, you never make it while I'm asking for players, man.
How many?
What are you gonna search for right now?
Rush.
Alright, let's see how that plays.
Eat a McChicken. Hey, Ryan Campbell, Wings, why do you stick all four fingers in your mouth when you eat? Because I want to eat my fingers too, but my body naturally decides not to. It's a character flaw. It is a character flaw. Wings eats every stream. Motherfucker, I'm 400 pounds. You can't upkeep 400 pounds without eating every stream. Why do you hate?
He likes trout fishing. I don't even know what a trout is.
Honestly,
Trout is.
I couldn't tell you the difference between fish if you put them in front of me. Are we at $100 yet? We're at $19 off Goodyear Blimp. Nah, I'm popping an effexor.
There's a guy just right at the house as well. By the
Yeah, I see him.
There's two of them. There's two.
I'm down. God damn it. Can we RPG the fucking thing? Come on.
I don't have one.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah.
Fucking Atoll said he had one.
Yeah, I was aiming at him down. He shot me.
Yeah, I know. There's the guys around me. I can't get.
I got a grenade launcher. Oh, yeah, watch the right up top.
Dude, fucking A, man. Oh, man, how y'all have 5 kills each? I got a stinky.
Where do you want to spawn?
Ah, no, I'm switching off medic. I think I've done my challenge. No, I have not. Go back to medic.
Try to push D. There's a tank heading towards D.
Tomorrow for that,
I gotta poop.
you want to come with me, or are you staying here?
I'll probably get off. Alright, guys, that's gonna be the stream for the day. Looks like this stream's getting deleted.